Give me a second. Sorry, I was late 20 minutes today. No problem. Today we have only 4 essay questions. Today we have only 4 essay questions. Can you hear me? And the board is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. First of all, now your O-level result released last week, and again I need to inform you the main important thing: your O-level result. Sometimes, and now these days, sometimes you students calling me and asking what are the minimum requirement to select technology stream, and how about how to O-level result affect to the A-level. The O-level result, last week also I explained, O-level result actually less than 5% affect to your A-level result. So completely your A-level result mainly depend on your working pattern of these 2 years. These 2 years. Asil. Okay. These 2 years. Therefore, to select technology stream, not only technology stream, other subjects also, you don't have any basic knowledge. Now, in our basic mathematics part, if you go through our videos, in basic mathematics, we discuss from very basic level. Very basic level, it start from degrees, right? Start degrees, radians, and I explained all the equations again. Sometimes you did these equations before in grade 8, 10, 8 to 10 grades, but I explained everything. Not only mathematics, in physics, chemistry part also, everything I will explain again, right? Every lesson I will start very basic level. Therefore, no need to worry anyone. But the thing is, mainly your A-level result. Normally, A-level result is not like just grades. It's coming with Z value and island rank, district Z value. According to this Z value, district rank and island rank, it's coming with these ranks. Therefore, it is not like O-level result. It's completely changing your life actually. What? Okay. Okay, I told you it is not like O-level. Sometimes if you work final 3 months for O-level, you will have best result. Final 3 months දිගට වැඩ කරත් ඔයාලට O-level වල result ගන්න පුළුවන්. But it is not A-level. It is not like that. Continuities and keep your consistency. Consistent working very important if you need good district rank and island rank. Normally this totally university selection, government university selection depend on Z value and district rank and island ranks. Always if you got 3 S passes, your result sheet coming with yes for university entrance, but according to the limitations of space, only best group of students only select for government universities in Sri Lanka, right? But if you got 3 S passes, the answer sheet coming university selection, yes, but due to limitations, it's not possible in Sri Lanka. But any other university you can select if you get 3 years. But if you want government university, you have to score more good island rank and district rank. You have to focus. You have to keep target. Hurry, let's start. I want to show you. I want to tell you your O-level result less than 5% affect for your A-level result. No need any basic knowledge. Everyone, if you start today and continue your works, day-to-day life, day-to-day works, if you continually complete and work on every day at least 3 hours per this each subject, definitely you can get super result, good result, and good Z value, good island rank in A level. Actually, it is not like O level result. I told you, it is completely change your life. Actually, it's completely change your life. If you, what is your after 2028 August? What's your life goal? Right? You select university or you select whatever diploma or private university. Everything depend on your this A level result. Okay, therefore, don't take it easy. Start now. Start now. Hurry, let's start. I gave you homework, no? I gave you homework. Okay, get your homework. Okay, let's go to now area basic mathematics lesson number 1, area and volume. Already completed. New students, now we already completed theory part of basic mathematics, area and volume. I will give you recordings, right? We have 5 recordings of basic mathematics part. Today is a 6th part. 6th part is the final part. We're going to discuss past paper questions, right? Past paper questions. And next week, you have exam. Next week, you have exam. It's a very simple exam. Only 15 MCQ question and 1 essay question. Right, I will explain about exam. Normally, that's our working schedule, right? After every lesson, you have unit exam, some unit exam, and when we complete every lesson, we discussed all past paper questions and model paper, every type of questions, and you have exam. Second, I can't find it. Give me a second. Hi. Sorry. Okay, let's start 2015 A level question. 2015. No, let's go with 2016 A level question. 2016, this is 2016 A level question number 5. 2016 A level essay question number 5. Okay, let's start the following questions. Who complete homework? Raise hand. Shivand. Hamam karat. Ashmita. Okay. I hope you all completed. Senura complete. Okay. Only new students. Hari, come on. Good, good, good. Hari. I will ask questions, right? Hari. Okay. The following questions are based on various geometrical shapes. Information that can be required for the calculations in provided at the end of question. Give answers for calculations to the first decimal point. It's asking answers to the first decimal point. To the first decimal point. A sketch of logo designed for society is given in figure 1. This logo design is, this is a logo designed for a society. It consists a regular hexagon X. It's a regular hexagon and 6 semicircles. Yeah, 6 semicircles. This is the shape of the logo. It's consists of hexagon and 6 semicircles. Hexagon and 6 semicircles. Yeah. Okay, what is the volume of AOB? The question asks what is the value of AOB? The question asks what is the value of this angle? It's an angle, right? AOB. It's an angle. I got this. What is the value of this AOB? This is A. This is O. B. The question asks AOB, this angle theta. 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 What is this angle? Yeah. How to get this? Now, hexagon divide into 6 equal triangles by dashed lines, right? This hexagon divide into 6. Medium, what's the question? Sir, this is area and volume. No, Puta. This tutorial. Homework කියලා group එකේ දාලා තියෙනවා. Very good, Shiva. This is past paper question separated one. Past paper question separated. It is available in the group. I have sent into group as homework. Yes. This paper 2018 fourth question we already discussed last day. This is first and second, third questions was homework. Right. Okay. How to get this theta angle? Very good. Now this hexagon divide into 6 equal triangles. Then you know this total angle of circle, it is 360. Then 360 divided by 6 equal parts. 360 divided by 360 degrees divide by 6 equal parts. Then what is angle? 60 degrees. 60 degrees. Very simple. May A-level questions. 60 degrees. 60 degrees. Good. Any doubt? Now, this is a circle mean 360 degrees. If it is divided into 6 identical parts, it is the angle 60 degrees. 60 degrees. Say on. Arnil. In doubt, ask me, right? Calculate the area of the logo showing relevant steps. They calculate the area of the logo. Area of logo. Now it is, if it is 60 degree, it is equal to triangle, right? Equal to triangle means, you know, this side equal to this side. Therefore, opposite side equal mean opposite angle also equal. Then if it is 60, the remain angle 120. Then 120 divided by 6, 120 divided by 2, it is 60. All angles 60. All angles 60. All angles 60. Now it is a equal to triangle. They all are equal to triangle. Equal to triangle. Each side same. 3.5 is the side. Now one side 3.5. 3.5 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter. Okay. 3.5 centimeter. Now, first we can get the hexagon area. You have to show all the steps. Now it is essay question. Then you have to show all steps. This is the second one. The question number 2, part A. First one answer 360 divided by AOB. AOB equal 360 divided by 60. This previous one. 60 degrees. Okay, this is the answer. This is essay question. Right. Not like MCQ, right? Second one. Now first you have to calculate the hexagon area. Hexagon area. Hexagon area. Okay, how to get the hexagon area? Triangle area multiplied by 6. Triangle area multiplied by 6O. You can get as 2 trapeziums. Both methods correct. Then make it and now think this one. No, trapezium method difficult. Better to get one triangle area and multiply by 1 triangle area and multiply by 6. Now it is 60 degree. 60 degree. And both sides are 3.5 and 3.5. 3.5. You can get one triangle area and multiply by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is a full hexagon area. It's a full hexagon area. Okay, how we can get the one triangle area? One triangle area half into, now you don't know base or perpendicular height. Better equation is AB sine C. We already discussed this equation. To get the area of triangle, we have 2 equations, right? To get the area of triangle, to get the area of triangle, we have 2 equations. We have 2 equations. We have 2 equations. The area equal half into base into height, and there is another equation. The area equal half AB sine C. Half AB sine C. Half AB sine C. AB sine C mean AB mean any 2 sides between particular angle. 2 sides between particular angle. Right? Hari. Then how to use AB sine C for this hexagon triangle. Hexagon, one triangle multiplied by 6. One triangle multiplied by 6. It is triangle area. Triangle area multiplied by 6 equal to hexagon area. Half into AB. AB mean, okay, this is a triangle. Up here, make a triangle right? It is 60 degree. 60 degree. Each side 3.5, 3.5, 3.5. right? Then how to get the area of one triangle? How to get the area of one triangle? Half into AB. AB means two sides between the angle. AB means 3.5 into 3.5 into sine 60. Sine 60. Sine 60. Sine 60. Multiply by 6, because 6 hexagon means 6 equal triangles. 6 equal triangles. I got any doubt? New students? Asil? Have understood? Now, you know, half into A and B mean 3.5. 3.5. Sine 60 mean root 3 over 2. Root 3 over 2. Sine 60 value always giving in the exam question. Sine 60 value එක දීලා ඇති මේ කොහේ හරි. බලමු අපි. It is given sine 60. Sine 60 root 3 over 2. It is given. If not, you can use calculators. If you can use calculator. Sine 60 root 3 over 2 multiplied by 6. Multiply by 6. Now 2 to 6 cancel, it is 3. 3. Now you can get the area, no? 3.5 into 3.5 into 3. What's your answer? 3.5 into 3.5 root 3 into 3 divided by 2. Use calculator. Use calculator. New students, we can use calculator, scientific calculator in the exam, no problem. For SFT and ET and BST subjects, you can use. Fatima, what is the answer? Safan. Three 3.5 into 3.5 into 3 root 3. 31.82. 31.82 square centimeter. Correct? Amishka? 31.82. Very good. Yeah. The one triangle 5.3, then it is multiplied by 3, 31.82. Very good. Okay, any doubt? Any doubt? Safa? Sinon? Clear, right? Yeah, yeah. 31.8 also okay. No problem. 31.8 okay. Yes, yes, Sunrise. Okay, no problem. 31.8 also okay. Very good. Hi. Can't you put my message into our common chat? Everyone everyone chat. It's easy to read. If not, I have to go one by one your profile. Hurry. Okay, but this question has logo area. This is only hexagon area. It is only hexagon area. Then how to get logo area? Get 6 semicircles. 6 semicircle mean one semicircle area multiplied by 6. Now what is the radius? Shiva, what is the radius of this semicircle? What is the radius of this one semicircle? Its diameter 3.5, right? Diameter 3.5. Then what is the radius? 3.5 divided by 2, it is 1.75. 1.75. 1.75 is the radius. Hurry. අපිට ගන්න තියෙන්නේ 6 semicircles. 6 semicircle area. 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 Okay. How to get a 1 semicircle area? 5r squared full circle, half 5r squared semicircle, no? Half into 5r squared. Multiply by 6 because 6 semicircle. Now 2 to 6 cancel, it is 3. That means 6 semicircle mean 3 complete circles, right? 6 semicircle mean 3 complete circles. Neighbor, 6 semicircles එකතු වෙලා හැදෙනවා 3 complete circles. හරි. මේක cancel වුණා. හරි. Then multiply by 3. 5r squared multiply by 3. 5r squared. 5 value is given, I think, no? 5 value? No, 5 is not given. Then 22 over 7. 22 over 7. R squared mean 1.75. 1.75 into 1.75 into 3. Making a 6 semicircle area. 6 semicircle area. No, Safa. This is the semicircle. The diameter 3.5. Then radius 1.75. Neither. Okay. Safa. Yeah, they are simple things. Hard. Then it is 28 point. Here there is 28.8. 28.8 or 9. 28.8 or 9. 28.875. 875. 28.875. අපි ඒ විදිහටම දාගමු. Then මම මෙතන ඉඳන් 20, the area equal 28.875 square meter. Now the total area. Now it is essay question. You have to follow these steps. If not, you can't get full marks. It is not like O-level question. Little bit every subject, not only our subject, A-level marking schemes little bit strict, tough marking schemes. Therefore, if it is given the making follow all relevant steps, right? If it is not given, you have to follow all relevant steps in essay questions. If not, you will lose marks. Now total area. Steps not total area 875 square, that's 6 semicircle area plus what was the hexagon area 31.82. 31.82. Get the sum. It is 5, 9, 60.695, but the question asking to first decimal point, then you can round off into first decimal point 60.7 square centimeter. The question asking keep answer in first decimal point. Final answer එක තිබ්බම ඇති, right? Final answer is 60.7 square meters. Sorry, centimeters. Square centimeters. Okay, that is the second part of 2016 A-level question. So, sir, can't we round off? Yeah, we can round off. We can round off, Shivan, but better to get into first decimal point final answer. Yeah, no problem. Round off කරලා ගත්තත් හරි මෙහෙම අරගෙන ෆයිනල් එක round off කරත් okay, no problem. හරි, any doubt? Met me make who me sorry වැරදුනා කවුද මීදු understood? Okay, let's move into third one. Third one, it's again very simple question. Calculate the area of the land OABCD. This is OABCD. OABCD. Okay, how to calculate this area? It consists of three triangles, no? Three triangles. It is only AB sin C equation. Then balan main question ekේ in this essay question, the main it's the full question came based on one equation. The mainly they focus AB sin C equation, right? Half AB sin C. Then make it 3 times. We have to use half AB sin C. Okay, I'm going to label this triangle. May label this is first triangle, second triangle, and third triangle. Oh, ABC කියලා label කරගමු. For easy calculation, right? For you understand, it's not compulsory label. Alright, apiyang what is the question number? Fourth one. No, part C. Okay, I'm going to calculate the first triangle area. First triangle area half into AB sin C. Half into AB sin C. Half into AB mean two sides between the particular angle. Two sides between the particular angle. 10 into 18. 10 into 18. 10 into 18. Sin C mean the A and B sides, the mid angle. You can the mid angle between A and B. Metan angle sin 30. Sin 30. Sin 30. Now half into 10 into 18 into sin 30 mean you know it is half. If you don't remember, use calculator. Sin 30 can type kalaban, it is half or 0.5, right? Sin 30 half, then mayata 5, 18 cancelled to 9, 9 into 5, 45 square meter. 45 square meter. This is the first triangle area. First triangle area. First triangle area. First triangle area. Okay, let's move into second triangle area. Second triangle area. Second triangle area. Remember, in second time, you don't need to write down equation. Then, ekam equation, same equation. Then you don't need to mention it. You can mention, but you don't have marks again, right? Normally, equation has 1 or 2 marks sometimes. එතකොට ඒ mark එක හැම වෙලාවෙම දෙන්න එකපාරයි දෙන්නේ. Now, half into AB sin C, you can directly substitute. AB sin C. A mean, yeah, what's A? Now, this is AB. AB mean 18 into 24. 18 into 24. 18 into 24. 18 into 24. Into what's the angle? 45 degrees. 45 degrees sin 45. Sin 45. Half into 18 into 24. Sine 45, do you remember the value? If not, use calculator. Sine 45 and cos 45 both 1 over root 2. 1 over root 2 is a value. 1 over root 2 is a value. Now 2 to 18 cancel, it is 9. 9 into 24. 9 into 24. Divide by root 2. Use calculator. 9 into 24. Answer divide by root 2. Root 2. It is 152.735. අපි තුනක් විතර ගමු. Square meter. Amishcha, this is final answer. Divide by root 2. හරි නේද? Right. Good. Okay. This is third triangle area. Third triangle area. Xenon. තේරෙනව නේද? Xenon. One over root 2 අපිට මේ දීලා තියෙනවා xenon in the question. If not, you can use calculator. See? මේ දීලා තියෙන sin 45 and sin 45 1 over root 2. Okay, third triangle area, again a half AB sin C. Half AB sin C, half into AB mean two sides. Two sides mean two sides between the angle. 24 into 60. 24 into 16 into sin 60 mean sin 60 root 3 over 2. එකක් දීලා තියෙනවා. sin 60 mean root 3 over 2. Root 3 over 2. Root 3 over 2. Now 2 to 24, 12. 16 to 2, it is 18. Sorry, 8. 8. Now 12 into 8 into root 3. 12 into 8 into root 3. 12 into 8 into root 3. It is 166.27. 276 square meter. Square meter. Right. Very good, Aki. Very good, Aki. All right. Now, what's the total land area? Total land area. Total land area at this three triangle together. 45 plus 45 square meter plus 152.735 square meter plus 166 0.276 square meter. Hurry. Send the final answer. Okay, send the final answer. Yeah, 364.00, then into first decimal point, 364 square meter. 364 square meters. 364 square meters. Great. Perfect. Asel, clear, right? Vinuji, නේද? සවිද්‍යා, මීදුම්, දිනිඳු, Okay, let's move into part D. The part D is the most important part actually. Part D is the most important part. Let's move into part D. No, part E is the important part. Part D is the special, small one. The length, width, and the height of a pencil box which has cuboid shapes are 16 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 3 centimeter. That's a pencil box. The length 16 centimeter, width 4 centimeter, and height 3 centimeter. Right? Respectively. What is the length of longest pencil that can be kept inside this pencil box? What is the length of the longest pencil that can be kept inside this pencil box? Hurry. Now think this is a pencil box. This is a pencil box. This is a pencil box. The length 16 centimeter, width 4 centimeter, height 3 centimeter. The question asks, what is the longest pencil length? What's the length of? No, Nitya. අපි මෙහෙම දැම්මොත් 16 centimeter. Yeah. We can put pencil. The longest pencil means this end to this end. මෙන්න මේ length එකයි අපි හොයන්න ඕන. How to get this length? Okay, what's the method? Xenon, any idea? කොහොමද කරන්න පුළුවන්? Okay, first of all, you can get the diagonal of this base. Think this is the diagonal of the base. Diagonal of the base. Diagonal of the base. Okay, how to get the diagonal of the base? Think the diagonal of the base x. Base diagonal x. and think the longest pencil L. L කියලා හිතමු longest pencil එක. Right? First I can calculate the diagonal use. Now it is right angle triangle. Base is a, ඒ කියන්නේ මේ හිතන්නකො think it, this is a base. Base is a rectangle. Base is a rectangle, right? Base is a rectangle. Think this is a base and this is a diagonal. This is a diagonal. Think it is x. X. Right? Make a man. Yeah, like this. The length 16 centimeter, width 4 centimeter. Okay, now how to get x squared? Use Pythagoras theorem. X squared equal 16 squared plus 4 squared. X squared equals 16 squares 256 plus 4 squared 16. Now x squared equal 6 plus 6 12 272. 272. It is x squared. Yeah, very good, Shiva. That's a short method. Yeah, I will explain that later. Yeah, very good. Okay, first you can get the x. X mean, yeah, this is x squared. Now, but our requirement is L, get the L value. Now it is 3 centimeter. Now this one also right angle triangle, no? This diagonal and this hypotenuse and this is a perpendicular height. Understood? Again get the ආයම ගන්න Pythagoras theorem. Then L squared equal x squared plus 3 squared. Now L squared equal x squared plus 3 squared. Pythagoras, right? 3 squared. Now L squared equal x squared plus, now x squared value you already got 272 plus x squared में I didn't got මේ x square root එක ගත්තේ නෑ මං x square ම තියෙන්නේ, it is 9. Now L squared equal 272 plus 9 281. Then L equal 281 square root. Send your answer. 281 square root. 281 square root. 16.708. 16.76 centimeter. Then into first decimal point, I am going to round off 8 centimeter. Round off කරාම තමයි 8 ආවේ, right? Okay, very good, sure. Any doubt? Blue colored steps mean this one. Now this diagonal one mean rectangle. Hari, make a right angle triangle, then we can get x squared equal to 72, right? Now this again, this make a this corner to this corner. It is a longest pencil. Can you see that one also right angle triangle? Make a diagonal like a diagonal, and this one. It's again right angle triangle, right? That's why I got L squared plus equal. It is a hypotenuse. L squared equal x squared plus 3 squared. Now L squared equal x squared value 272 plus 3 squared 9. Now at this 2 value it is 281. I got the 281 square root. Okay, I will give you another short method. I will give you short method to find the longest pencil or longest length of any box. Onam box එක longest length එක හොයන්න පුළුවන් මෙන්න මෙහෙම. That's a method. That is short method. දැන් මේ ප්‍රශ්නෙන් අපිට ඉගෙන ගන්න තියෙන්නේ මේක. Short method. Any short method. Any box, how to find the longest length? It is length squared. Length squared means 16 squared plus width squared 4 squared plus height squared. Square root is the longest pencil, longest length. Length squared plus width squared plus height squared. Complete square root we called as දැන් මේක හදලා බලන්න මේ answer එකම එනවා. Right? That's the short method. Short method. L equal, L mean longest length equal length squared plus width squared plus height square root. The same answer is coming. It is 16.76 is centimeter. Senura, understood? Any doubt up to now? This is a short method, right? We have two another essay questions. Let's move into part E. Yeah, that's the most important part of this question. A water tank is consist of two cylindrical parts, A and C. Yeah, this is the A, it's a cylinder, and C, it's a lid, also a cylinder, right? And a part of cone, a part of cone at the shown in the figure 4. The B is a part of cone, right? Calculate the volume of water that can fill in the tank in terms of phi. It's asking in terms of phi. In terms of phi mean without multiplying with phi. यानी answer के phi and all. In terms of phi. Okay, first method. Okay, what's the api lazy tick करके First you can calculate the cylinder, A cylinder volume and C cylinder volume, right? The lid also contains some amount of water. Right? Up here. Part T, A cylinder volume a cylinder volume. How to get, what's the cylinder equation? Cylinder volume equation. Cylinder volume equation, Akhil. Cylinder volume equation. Cylinder is a uniform cross-section object. Uniform cross-section object. Any uniform cross-section object, how to get the volume? Safa. Any uniform cross-section object, how to get the volume? The cross-section area, uniform cross-section multiplied by the uniform height. The uniform cross-section is a circle. It is phi r squared into uniform height h. Uniform height h. I think you can remember phi r squared h. Phi r squared h. Now phi r squared mean what is a 90, no? 90. Radius 90 centimeters. 90 into 90. H, what's the height? 150 centimeter. 150 centimeter. Now you can get the, in terms of phi, the C part volume in terms of phi. C part volume in terms of phi. 90 into 90 into 150. Square centimeter. Right, correct? Safa, are you correct? Then C cylinder volume. C is the lid part, right? C cylinder volume. C cylinder volume. C cylinder volume. Again, you don't need to mention equation, right? I am equationically unknown. Phi r squared mean 60 centimeters. 60 into 60 h. H here. What's the height of C lid part? It is 5 centimeter, right? 5 centimeter. Now 6 into 6, 36. 36 into 5, 180. And 2 zeros. 18,005 square centimeter. 18,005 square centimeter. Right? Akhil? Arnel? Correct? Nitira? Meedu? Now, this is the most, that is a challenge actually. How to get the B volume, B part volume. B is a part of cone. B is a part of cone. B is a part of cone. Okay, this is a part B. This is a part B. Okay, it's a part of cone. This is a complete cone. It's a part of cone. Part of cone. It's a part of cone. This one 90 centimeter. This one 60 centimeter. Now, what is the height? What is this B height? Can anyone send? What's this B height? Very good. Amishka, sorry. Amishka. No, Nitira. Wrong. 30 centimeter, the height of B and C. Me udda level. Then 30 minus 5 is the B part height. Yeah, the other point you have to be very careful. Yeah. මේ මෙතකක් height එක up to this level it is 25. Up to the top end it is 30. Nitira, okay. No, Xenon, okay. Any doubt? Hari. Now what to do? Then මේ බලන්න it is 25 centimeter. 25 centimeter. Now if you know this remain height as well, may h එකක් දන්නවනම් now you can get the total cone volume and subtract small cone. This is a B part, right? Total cone volume subtract small cone. This is a B remain part. Now the challenge is how to find this h. කොහොමද මේ h හොයාගන්නේ? How to find this h? How to find this h? You can use ratio method. Now 90 divided into 3 parts. 90 divided into 3 parts. Now this part only it is 60. Then මෙතනට එද්දි 1/3, right? 90 divided into 3, then it is 30. මෙතන තියෙනවා එක 30 part එකක්, right? The distance is, the gap is 90 radius, 60. Then 2/3 of remain part, right? Can you understand? Make a 90 divided into 3, then it is 30. This part only 1/3. මේ යට තියෙන්නේ 1/3 because 1/3, the remain 2/3 of part is above part, right? Yeah, the total is 75. Very good. The total height of the cone 75, then h equal 50. Very good. h equal 50. ඔන්න ඔතන තමයි ඔයාලා තේරුම් ගන්න ඕනේ. If anyone doubt, any doubt? I got the height of this cone, this missing part, according to the ratio method. Now 90 divided into 3, then 1/3 of part is B part, then 2/3 of part is the remain part, then 1 part 25, ඒ වගේ දෙගුණයක් තමයි උඩට තියෙන්නේ 50 centimeter. Understood, Senura? No, I just got a ratio, Midu. මේ බලන්න 90 divided into 3, it is 30, no? 30. Hurry. I got just a ratio. 90 in 30 into 3, the radius of full cone. 30 into 2, the radius of small cone. Right? එතකොට අපිට පේනව නේද 1/3 is the lower part, the above part is 2/3. 3 දෙකක්. Midu. Therefore 25, 2 times the upper part. I got Midu. Right. Right. Now, okay. Now, if you find this missing height, now simply you can get the B volume, B part volume, B volume, very simple. How to get the area, sorry, volume of cone? I'm going to get the full cone volume. කොහොමද අපි full cone volume එක ගන්නේ 1/3 pi r squared h නේ. h1 කියලා දාමු අපි. h2 දාමු. Minus full cone, right? Minus මෙතනත් r2 දාමු. 1/3 phi r1 squared h1. Right. Full complete cone, subtract small above parts. Then this is a B volume, right? B volume. Right. 1/3 5. R2 mean full cone. It is 90 into 90. H 75. Full 75. 1/3 5. 60 into 60. H1 the remain 50. Now you can get the part of volume. 90 cancelled into 330. 60 20. 30 into 90 into 75. Get the value 30 into 90 into 75. Minus 20 into 60 into 5. 60,005. Ganda value එක 202,500 minus 60,000 142,500 squares, sorry, 5 square centimeter, sorry, cubic centimeter is the volume. මේවත් cubic centimeter, sorry, cubic centimeter. Hard. Understood? Now you can get the total volume එක මම මෙතනින් ගන්න. The total volume plus 18,005 plus the remain part, B part, okay. Can you send this sum value? Can you send this sum value? Can you send this sum value? Five answers, very good. Cubic centimeter. Yeah, very good. Perfect. Okay, that's a 2016 full A-level essay question. Is it difficult? No, if you know all the equations and if you follow all steps, compulsory to follow all relevant steps in essay question calculations, not like MCQ question, right? In MCQ question, any short method and without skipping any step, you can get the answer. But essay questions, you can't do like this. You have to follow all steps. Steps විදියට කරන්න. Okay, clear? Any doubt in 2016 question? Okay, now let's move into 2015 question. 500, no? Wait. Yeah, 500. Now, okay, right? Yeah. 5530. Wait, Medum. 1 second. Again 3 0. Sorry, sorry. Now okay, right? Okay. What's the Medum's question? Wait. Medum. Yeah, this may height calculation. No? Yeah. Yeah, after we discuss trigonometry, the trigonometry also we can use Medum to get this value. Okay, actually, I only use ratio method, right? Ratio method mean now think 90, now it is 16, 60 and 90 both dividing by 30. That's why I select 30. Medu. Normally 90 mean 3 times 30, 60 mean 2 times 30. Then the remaining part should be 2/3. 2/3. This part is only 1/3. Right? දැන් අපි මේක මෙන්න මෙතනින් ගත්ත තාත්තේ. දැන් මෙන්න මෙහෙම කරොත් අපි get another small cone part, radius 30 centimeter. Now this is one part, this is a second part and third part, right? Then the total height is one part. Now it is equal to height, right? This part 25. That's why I got the total 75. The above part is 50. 25 into 2 parts. Okay. Xenon, Akhil, any doubt of this one? Let's move into 2015. 15 कर लेंगे. Question number 1. It's a small one. Show that the volume of a closed cylindrical tank of radius 3 meter and closed right circular cylinder of radius 3 meter and height 4 meter are equal. Give me a second. Okay, sir. Show that the volume of a closed spherical tank means sphere, tank of radius 3 meter and closed right circular tank cylinder of right circular cylinder of radius 3 meter and height 4 meter equal. It's simple. Now it's actually equal. It is question number 1A. It's actually equal, but you have to show this. You have to prove this. Okay, first you can get the sphere volume. No? Sphere volume. Sphere volume. Sphere volume. Okay, how about the radius of sphere? 3 meter. 3 meter. What is the equation of sphere? Volume of sphere. Kalidu. Volume of sphere. What is the equation? Volume of sphere. Volume of sphere. Volume of sphere. What is the equation? 3. Very good. Good, Karin. 4 over 3 pi r cube. Now 4 over 3, no need to get 5 value. R cube can here. R cube, 3 cube, 3 into 3 into 3. Now 3 to 3 cancel. 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 3, 36. 36, 5 cubic centimeter. Sorry, cubic meter. Cubic meter. Cubic meter. Okay, now the cylinder volume. Cylinder volume. Cylinder volume 5r squared h. It is a uniform cross section. The base area multiplied by height. 5r squared mean what is the radius of cylinder? It's 3 meter and radius 3 meter and height 4 meter. Radius 3 meter, 3 into 3, 3 squared into 4. Ekat kiyada 36 5 square meter. Sorry, cubic meter. Now it is same, right? Now it is same. You have to prove this. You have to prove. Therefore, sphere volume equal to cylinder volume as above. Right. This is a part A answer. If you need to get full marks, if you want full marks, you have to follow these steps. Short answers liwot aduwen hamben. Hari. Compulsory note both the equation and substitute final answer. Make it the end. Make steps okkam one athara. Equation, substitution, final answer, and proof. The final proof. Okay, Kalindu, understood? Any doubt? Right. Right. Okay, let's move into next part. B. The expected production cost of spherical tank and right circular cylindrical tank per square meter. Per square meter, that's area, right? Per square meter are 20,000 and 15,000 respectively. Again, make a pilelone respectively. Spherical tank, sorry, spherical tank production cost per square meter, it is 20,000. Cylindrical tank production cost per unit square meter, 15,000. Show that it is cheaper to build the cylindrical tank. Again, prove karanne ekak tiyenne. Show that it is cheaper to build cylindrical tank by calculating the production cost of each two tanks. Now you have to calculate both tank production cost and show cylinder is the most cheaper one. Cylinder එක හදන එක තමයි ලාභ කියලා පෙන්නන්න තියෙන්නේ. ලාභ නෙවෙයි නේද? Low cost. Right. හරි. Okay, what is your first step? First you have to calculate the surface area of sphere. B. Sphere surface area. Sphere surface area. What's the equation? Midum. What's the sphere surface area equation? Sphere surface area equation. Surface area of sphere. Rashmita. Surface area of sphere. No, Shiva. Yeah, 4 5 r square. 4 5 r square. 4 5 r square. 2 5 r squared for only semicircle curve surface. Now 4 5 r squared. 4 5 r squared. 4 into 522 over 7. Now you have to get the value because you have to calculate the production cost. You have to calculate the production cost. R squared means 3 into 3. Make a 5 value is given, I think, no? No, the 5 value is not given, then you can use 22 over 7. Now, what is the surface area of sphere? 88 into 9 divide by 7. Square meter, sorry. Square meter. Now you can get the production cost. The production cost of sphere. Sphere production cost. Spherical tank production cost. Production cost. Per one square meter, it is 20,000 cost. Per 1 square meter, 20,000 cost. Now 113.14 multiplied by 20,000 rupees. 20,000 rupees. Then you can get the production cost. Production cost again. What's the answer? 22. Yeah. Yeah, 22 million. 20. It is 262, right? Please check again. Am I correct, Pinuji? Yeah, yeah. Okay, now this is a production cost per sphere. Sphere. They are very simple, right? Just the production cost per 1 square meter 20,000. Then calculate the area and multiply by 20,000. This is a production cost per sphere. Then I am going to get the area of cylinder. Now it's a solid cylinder. Area of cylinder. Area of cylinder. Area of cylinder. Hadam. Area of cylinder. What's the area of cylinder equation? Vihanga. What's the area of cylinder? It's a solid right solid cylinder. Solid right cylinder. Area of cylinder. How to get? Now the curved surface 2 phi RH and base and lid it is 2 phi R square because phi R squared into 2 phi R square. 2 phi RH 2 phi RH plus 2 phi R squared. 2 phi RH plus 2 phi R squared. Very good, sure. හරි. මොකද කරන්නේ? 2 into 22 over 7, radius 3 and height 4, plus 2 into 22 over 7 into R squared means 3 into 3. Hurry. Get the value quickly. Mandagam. Okay. 88, sorry, 44 into 12 divide by 7. 75.428 plus 44 into 9 divide by 7. 131.999 approximately 132, right? 132 square meter. 132 square meter, right? Correct? 132 square meter. Rasindu? Correct? That's the area of cylinder. If you don't know, new students, if you don't know this equation, don't worry, right? Don't worry, you can go through our recordings. You can go through our recordings. One by one, I explain about each equation I explained. And we did simple calculations. ගොඩාක් අපි කරා බලන්න class recordings. We starting from very basic level. Now that is the end of lesson today. Don't think about that. From next week we start very new lesson. It's a physics lesson. It is forces and its behaviors. Forces and its behaviors. Next week means next month. First week we start very new lesson, forces and its behaviors. Before that we have to get some extra time to our exam. අපි exam එක තියන්න time එකක් හදා ගන්න ඕනේ, because now in physical classes exam completed. If you got another if you got next week for exam, again our time will be collapse. අපේ order එක collapse වෙනවා. Better to go combine with our physical classes. It is easy. එතකොට අපිට එක දිගට කරගෙන යන්න පුළුවන්. Now we are passing in එක දවසක් passing in. Because physical classes exam did last day. Now without any delay, we can, if we start next week our next lesson, forces and its behaviors, yeah, we can come to our rhythm again. I'm a track එකට එන්න පුළුවන්. එතකොට අපි exam එක තියන්න අපි we have to arrange extra time. Okay, let's discuss at the end of the class the exam time. It's only 1.5 hour exam, simple. Hari. Now what is the production cost of cylinder? Production cost of cylinder. Production cost of cylinder. Production cost for cylinder. Production cost for cylinder. It was 132 square meter multiplied by 15,000 per 1 square meter. Then the production cost rupees 132 multiplied by 15,000. Now 1.9 million 80,000. This one 2.2 million 62,800. 62,800. 2.2 million. Yeah, then you can say the cylinder production cost is cheaper. Production cost of එතකොට අපිට මොකක්ද මේක පෙන්නන්න කියලා තියෙන්නේ? Cheaper to build the cylinder tank. Yeah, the cheaper one is cylinder tank. Cylindrical tank cheaper than sphere tank, spherical tank. Understood? The part B is done. Understood? Any doubt? Any doubt, Vinerji? Then on. Midhu, Ashmita, Rashmita. Hari. Okay, they are very simple. Now 8:30. We have another question. Okay, part C. Three right cylindrical, sorry, three right circular cylindrical tank of radius 3 meter and height 4 meter are to be placed on a flat land with the center of circular bottom of tanks at vertices of an equal triangle, area of 7 meter as shown is in the figure. It is a vertices of an equilateral triangle, area of side 7 meter. Yeah. Side 7 meter. That's one side is 7 meter. 7 meter. Right. Calculate the area of this triangle. Area of this triangle. The one angle mean 60 degree. If it is equilateral angle, all angles 60 degrees. 60 plus 60 plus 60, it's 180. Okay, it's asking the calculate the area of triangle half into AB sine C. AB sine C. Half into A mean 7 into 7. Sine C means sine 60. Part C. Triangle area half AB sine C half into 7 into 7 because both sides same equal to the triangle. Sine C means sine 60 because equal to triangle all angles 60, both all three angles 60. Then half into 49 into sine 60 root 3 over 2. අපි කලින්ම ගත්තා. Sine 60 root 3 over 2. එහෙනම් මොකද වෙන්නේ? 49 root 3 divide by 4. 49 into root 3 divide by 4. 21.217 21.22 square meter. Very good, Rasindu. 21.22. I round off into second decimal point, right? Second decimal point, it is 22 square meter. Square meter. Hi. Want you can get a screenshot. Hi. In the final part, the area of this triangle is not the area of this triangle not covered by the cylindrical tanks has to be calculated. This is shown in the figure as shaded area in the above figure. Calculate this shaded area. Calculate this shaded area. First, we can find this type sector. Now, the radius of sector given, right? Radius of cylinder 3 meter. 3 meter. It is 3 meter radius. Both side 3 meter. Now, first you can get 3 sector areas. So is it wrong if I apply the Pythagoras theorem to get the perpendicular height and then get the answer? No, wrong. Not wrong, but Ashmita, you have to go for additional steps. Additional steps and our time එකක් spend කරන්න වෙනවා. Right? You have to spend some time. Sometimes you have 2 steps. Then it's a disadvantage in exam, not only knowledge testing, right? You have to complete the paper or questions within the given time. Therefore, in exam, when we're doing full papers, you can understand the time is the main challenge. Now we're doing full papers for 2027 students, 2026 students, next month exam students. The time is the main important factor, Ashmita. Sorry, Amishka. The time is a problem. If not, no problem. Not wrong, you correct. Same answer. හැබැයි ටිකක් වෙලා වැඩියෙන් යනවා. Okay. Okay. Now you have to calculate the shaded area. First you can get this unshaded area, the triangle area you already got, and unshaded area is 3 equal size sectors. Then I can get for one sector and multiply by 3. Okay, unshaded area. Unshaded area. Unshaded area. Unshaded area. කොහොමද හදන්නේ? Sector, how to get sector area? Theta over 360 phi r squared, because the angle given in degrees. If it is given in radian, I think you can remember area equal half r squared theta radian. Half r squared theta radian. But now the angle given in degrees, now 60 over 360 5 mean 22 over 7 r squared. What's the sector radius? 3. Cylinder radius 3 into 3. Now 6 1 over 6. It is 3 times. Make a 3 times n on it. Look at the 3 sectors. 3 sectors. 3 sectors. Now it is 3. Sorry. 2 times 2 to 11. 22 cancel, it is 11. 11 into 9 divided by 7. $14.14. 14.14. This is the unshaded area, square meter. Square meter, right? This is the unshaded area. Then you can get the shaded area. The shaded area, the full area is triangle. Then triangle area was 21.22. 21.22 subtract 14.14 square meter. Hari. Adu karan. What's the answer? What's the answer? $7.08 square meter. This is a shaded area between cylinders. Okay, any doubt? This is the end of 2015 A-level essay question. Basic mathematics question. Okay, no doubt, right? Let's move into 2017 question. We have only one more questions. Any doubt up to now? Shivan? Senon? Everything okay? Senuga? Savitya? Hi. Okay, let's move into third question. It is 2017 A-level question. It's a very simple question. Make it a lazy. You know about running tracks? Relays, relays. Oh, 400 meters or athletes. Yes or no? Anyone? කවුරුත්ම ස්පෝර්ට් කරේ නැද්ද කවුරු? Okay, then දැකලා හරි තියෙනවනේ. කෙනෙක් ඉන්න. Okay. Okay. However, normally this type running track, the total length should be 400 meters. To keep the constant 400 meters per each athlete, then they should maintain some gaps. If not, the second lane athletes running more than 400. No, it is a long circle. It's a long circle. It's a large circle than first circle, right? Therefore, always do you have seen the starting points have some gaps? Do you have seen that? Say no. Do you have seen? Not that it's not starting at same point. They keep some gaps. Yeah. At bottom, a design of a 400-meter race track with 3.5 meter gap between two dash lines. It means make not practical, no? Now 305 meters gap between two lanes. Picture gap එකක් නෑ නේද? මේ size නේද? Yes. 3.5 meters mean it's not practical, but according to this question, it's 3.5, right? Gap between two dash lines of two consecutive lanes in a playground is given in the diagram. The diagram is not drawn to the scale. All athletes should run 400-meter distance on the dash line in the middle of their respective lanes. Okay, each athlete's running on the dash line. Dash line. The distance between two dash line, 3.5 meters. 3.5 meters. Hi. Okay, this is the first the radius to first these are O, orbit, and this is a radius 1 R1, and this is a radius 2. This is a radius 2, second dash line semicircle radius, right? This is a first semicircle radius. The first semicircle radius now arc length 100. Therefore 100 plus 100 plus 200. But second dash line also, however, second dash line also straight path, okay, straight path 200, 100 plus 100. But the curved path is a difference. Curved path is more than 100 meters, right? That's why we have to keep some gap between two starting points. Understood? Okay. Okay, write down radius R1 and R2 of semicircular sections of the lanes shown in the diagram in terms of phi. The question asks in terms of phi. Okay, how to get the radius? Question number 3. Question number 3. 1. Any idea? Now, this is a semicircle. This is a semicircle. No? It is R1. R1. It is R2. R2. It's R2. The gap between R1 and R2, 3.5 meters. Any idea? And this arc length, 100 meters. 100 meters. This arc length, 100 meters. This arc length, 100 meters. Okay, this is a hint. The arc length is given. Then the first R1 එක අපිට ගන්න පුළුවන් නේද? How to get the arc length of semicircle? Arc length of complete circle 2 phi r, then 2 phi r divided by phi is equal phi r, right? 2 phi r divided by 2. Remember 2 phi r full circle divide by 2, 2 to 2 cancel, phi r, right? Now s equal 100 equal phi. Then we can in terms of phi, right? Calculate the R1 and R2 semicircular section radius in terms of phi. Yes, in terms of phi. In terms of phi means the radius R1. Radius R1. Now R1 equal 100 over phi. Understood? 100 over phi is the answer. Safa? Understood? Akil? Understood? Okay. Now it is for R1. R1 equal 100 over 5. Then R2, how to get R2? R2. How to get R2? Any idea? Shiva, any idea for R2? Now you don't know may arc length as well. Don't know arc length. Rasid. You don't know arc length. Then any idea to get R2? Radius 2? Very good, Shiva. Very good. Now you know R2 equal R1 plus 3.5, right? Then R2 equal R1 plus 3.5. R1 mean 100 over 5 plus 3.5. Okay, this is R2, this is R1. Let's move into question part 2. B1. What should be the gap between the starting positions of the first and second lanes? What should be the gap? Okay, how to calculate? Now you know the first lane. First lane, it is completely 100, accurately 100 meters. Accurately 100 meters in the first lane. Okay. But if you got the length of second lane, it is more than 100 meters. This more than 100 meters part is the gap. Think it is 410 meter total second lane length. It is 10 meter is the gap. I got Rasindu. Tera, Akil. Now the target is you have to calculate the total length of the second lane. Total length of 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 second lane mean the straight path okay. Straight path okay, it is 200. Make okay. Make at 100. Make at 100. Therefore 200. But the curve path is a problem. Now I am going to calculate one arc length, one curved part arc length and divide by 2. It is a 2 arc length. Okay. Part B, no? It is A. Curved length of second lane. Curved length of second lane, it is S equal 5R into 2, it is 2 pi R. 5R into 2, 2 pi R, right? 2 into 5 into R mean the second lane radius 105 over 100 over 5 plus 3.5. Make a hurry. Use calculator. Use calculator. 2, 5. Use calculate. 2, 5. 5 you can type in the calculator. Can you 5 to 5 cancel? Shivan, Nitira, can you cancel out 5 to 5? Can you cancel out 5 to 5? No. If it is without 3.5 plus 3.5, you can cancel out. Then kapan the bed. Remember that. Kapan the bed. Can anyone tell me what is this answer? Use calculator. $22 or $222? Shiva. $222, right? No, 200. Plus into what's the answer? Nitira, what's the answer? We don't have time. Ashmita, Amishka, Amishka, sorry. What's the answer? No, Rashmita. Not 203.5. 22? No. Yeah, 22 is a gap. It's correct, but it is not 203.5. It's wrong. Maybe now 2 5 value mean 2 into 5 mean, sorry, 6.28 no? Into 100 over 5. 100 over 5 mean 100 divided by 5. It is 31.83. We cancel करना back 31.83. $31.83 plus sorry, kidare 6.28. It is 221.9. 221.99 වගේ එකක් නේද? Approximately 222, right? 222. 222 meters. Okay, Rasidu, your calculation error. If you type in calculator, it's compulsory this bracket. If not, you are out. Hurry. Now it is 222 meters. And what is the total length of this track? Second track then? The total length is, total length 200, both 222 plus 200, 422. Then the gap should be 22 meters. Gap should be 22 meters. Gap should be 22 meters. Total length of second track. Total length of second lane. 422 meters. Then the gap should be starting position gap 22 meters. 22 meters is the standard position gaps. Any doubt? Xenon? Right. This calculation errors you can improve when you use continuous calculator. හදාගන්න පුළුවන් එක. හරි. අපි යන් final part of final question final part. පොඩ්ඩයි තියෙන්නේ. As shown in the following diagram, 4 circles with radius 12 meter were drawn on the above playground for drill such that the centers of circles are fallen into horizontal line. The distance between two centers of consecutive circle is 12 meter. This one also radius, this one also radius. Therefore, 12 meters. 12 meters. Two consecutive centers, it is 12 meters. Find the length of PQ. Find the length of PQ. PQ. Okay, what is this length? Now see, this length is 12 meter. This one also 12 meter. 12 meter. Then what is AQ? It is half of AB. It is 6, right? It is 6. May 6. May 6. It is, the question asks what is a PQ? Then what is the method? Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. අපි යනවා part C 1. Pythagoras theorem. කොහොමද ගන්න? PQ, sorry, 12 squared equal PQ squared plus 6 squared. 12 squared 144 equal PQ squared plus 36. Hurry, may pattern again. 36 get into this side, then PQ squared equal 144 minus 36. Then PQ squared equal, get the difference? Get the difference? 144 minus 36, 8 or 12, 8. 108, isn't it? 108. Then PQ equal, am I correct? Yeah. 108 square root. Get the value. 108 square root. .3 meter. 10.3 meters. Round off करत 4 वगे नहीं 10.4 में दाम 10.4 meters. I round off into first decimal point. Hard. Okay, let's move into next question. Find the angle theta in radian. Find the angle theta in radian. Okay, how to get this angle? How to get this angle? You have to use very simple trig ratio. Monohar trigonometry ratio එකක් දාලා තමයි ගන්න වෙන්නේ. But it is simple me. Now let's see sine. Sine, I think you can remember. Sine equal opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite now. Kiyadawe opposite. No, sine දාන්න නැතුව අපි දාමු adjacent over hypotenuse. Cos theta equal adjacent 6 over hypotenuse 12, right? Cos theta equal 6 over 12 mean half. Then theta equal cos half n kiyad. You can use our reference table. Cos half. If you use calculator ke wala gahanawana. If you use calculator, it is shift cos minus 1 that we call as cos inverse half. Cos inverse half. මෙන්න මේක type කරන්න හරි කැල්ල එකේ. Cos inverse half mean shift cos half means 0.5 bracket. It is 60 degree. Understood? Shift cos into 0.5. It is 60 degree. Then theta equal 60 degree. Understood? Shivan? Nitira? Kalindu? I will take extra 10 minutes up to 9:15 because we start 6:45. We have only 4 parts. Find the area of triangle APR. Find the APR. AP, where's R? This one. APR. It's simple, ne? APR triangle. APR. It's a, now it is, if it is 10.4, the total 20.8, right? This total one 20.8, 2 times. Then it's a triangle half into base 20.4, 20.8, sorry. 20.8, 10.4 into 2 times. Into perpendicular height 6. Into perpendicular height 6, half into, अब make a cancel करो. 2 to 6 cancel 3, then 20.8 into 3. Get the value first. 20.8 into 3. 62.4. Yes, 62.4 square meters. Yeah, simple, right? I got the basic equation half into half base into perpendicular height, right? This triangle APR triangle. Understood? Kasindu? Kalindu? Akil? Akil? Senura? Right. Okay. Final. Find the area of sector APBR in terms of phi. APBR ko hittin pagan. This is a sector. I will erase this all data. APBR. This is a APBR. This is a sector. APBR. How to get the area of sector? Half into, now this angle theta plus theta, then it is 120, right? Now how to get the area of sector, area of APBR sector? Theta over 360. Theta mean 120 over 360. Pi r squared. pi r square. 22/7. No, in terms of 5 yeah, in terms of 5. In terms of 5. In terms of 5. R squared mean R squared. 12, right? Yeah, 12. 12 squared mean 144. 120, it's 1 3. 144 divided by 3, it's 48. 48 5 square meter. This is a sector area. Sector area. Sector area. Right. Let's quickly go to find last two questions. Find the area of enclosed by the arc PBR and the chord PR in terms of phi. ඒ කියන්නේ මෙන්න මේක PBR and PR මෙන්න මෙතනින් separate වෙන. The area of this part. Area of this part in terms of phi. In terms of phi. The area of this part in terms of phi. Any idea? The total sector minus triangle, right? Total sector. Now, fifth one, the මෙන්න මේ වගේ තියෙන part එකේ area එක equal sector area minus triangle area. හරි නේද? Could you understand this? Full sector area I got and triangle area I got. Then subtract triangle area, unshaded part. It is shaded part. Clear? Okay. This shaded part equal full sector area subtract. Say down. Clear? Full sector area subtract triangle area. Right? Hi. Full sector area kiyada අපිට ආවේ 48.5. 48.5 minus triangle area I got. What was the triangle area? අපි මෙතන හැදුවේනේ 62.4. 62.4 meters. Square meters. It's asking in terms of phi, then we can't solve this. That's the answer. It's asking in terms of phi. In terms of phi. එතකොට මේක අපි solve කරොත් වැරදි. හරිද? Not wrong. You can't get full marks. This answer. This answer. Okay, let's move into final part of the 2017 paper. Calculate the area of compound diagram enclosed by these circles in terms of phi. This is the most important part. The question asks, what is the complete area of this diagram? Hari. ඔයාලා හිතලා කියන්න දැන් what is the most suitable easy method? Yeah, you have a lot of methods. I need the easy method. Easy method. Okay, this is the easy method. හරිද? First you can get area of 4 circles. But area, if you got area of 4 circles, then බලන්න මෙන්න මේ part. This part is overlapping, right? Overlapping, then it is calculated 2 times. It's counting 2 times, මෙන්න මේ ටික. Right? right? Now, if you get the total 4 times circle area, become 4 circle area, 4 circle area, 6th one, final one. 4 circle area. Well, මේක හිතන්න 4 circle area. It is 5r squared. 5r squared mean 5r squared into 4. 4 circles. 5r squared mean 12. That means 144 into 4. Send the value 144 into 4. $576 5 square meter. Right. Please note down that. Please note down that, then you can think about that. That's a critical, little bit thinking question. Right. Now, the previous part you got half of this overlap part. In previous part you got making that key. This is half of overlap part. Then one overlap part is 2 times this. Make it 2 times in one. Right? Then one overlap part equal 2 times. 2 times mean become one overlap part. Become overlap area. Overlap area. Overlap area. One overlap area 2 times total 3 times. 6 times, no? One 6 times again. Maybe half parts 6 times, no? 6 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 overlap area. This type 6 part. Maybe 6 part. Then may value let's multiply by 6. Let's multiply by 6. Become 48.5. 48.5 minus 62.4 multiplied by 6. Make a multiplier. 48 into 6. You can get decimal value in terms of 5 tamahan. In terms of 5. 48 into 6. 288.5 minus 6 multiply. 62.4 multiply 6.4. Right? Now, the total area, to get the total area of full area of the diagram, we have to subtract this overlap part. Overlap tika in kaladam. 576 minus 288, 5 minus 374.4. Make a brackets. Brackets, right? Tamibarane still not complete. 576 minus 288.5. Okay, minus multiply. Then what happened? Plus 374.4. Right, the final answer 576 plus 576 plus 374.4 950.4 950.4 minus 288.5. This is the final answer in terms of 5. In terms of 5. Okay, that's the end of past paper question discussions of area and volume. Now all works of area, volume, basic mathematics lesson is completed. Oh, sorry. Mistake. මෙතන 576 5. Yes. එතකොට මේ දෙන්න තමයි අඩු වෙන්නේ. Sorry. 576 5. Then subtract this value. මෙයා තමයි තනියම තියෙන්න ඕනේ. Sorry. Subtract this value. 576 minus 288. Then it is 288, mine. 288 5 mine plus 3.74.4. Now okay, right? Nitira? Yeah, good point. I forgot this 5. Now okay, right? Now okay, it is square meter. Yeah, good point. Okay, any doubt? This final question, I know little bit confused. Please note down clearly, and if you want, take a screenshot. If not, I'll send this video. And please go through with final question. Other questions, I think you got the full idea. Halindu, understood? Vinuji? Hari. Now the problem is when we're doing exam, okay, I will schedule my free time. How about weekdays morning? No, let's do on Friday evening. Everyone free? Friday evening, 7 to 8:30. 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Weekends. Saturday morning. I'm free. Do you have class? Better do it morning, no? Let's do Saturday morning. 8:30 to 10. 8:30 a.m. to 10. Only 1.5 hour. Simple question. You have only 15 MCQ questions. Godak only 2 measurement question and 13 area volume, basic mathematics, and 1 essay question, completely basic mathematics. Essay question nikai, 1 essay question and 15 MCQ question. That's all. Okay, then let's meet with our exam next Saturday 8:30 a.m. and we can start our new lesson, forces and its behaviors, next Sunday evening. Forces and its behaviors. I will send you tutes within this week. Right. Tutes already printed. I will post tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Tomorrow poem, day after tomorrow. Okay. Then good night. Let's meet next Saturday. If you have any doubt, please send me WhatsApp message. Okay. Goodbye. Good night.